Good morning. What are you doing? You drawing?
It's your mouth.
Oh no, don't put in your mouth.
This to mommy.
Okay, thank you. So what do you want me to do?
This apple bit with your orange.
Oh, you want me to draw? Gusto niya kasing lagi gusto niya yung lagi
Orange.
nagdo-draw ako. Okay, so what is this? What is that?
Orange. The
Orange.
apple with
This.
apple.
Apple. This.
Apple with the apple.
Okay, this one. You want me this? Okay. Alam na alam niya yung drawing ko kahit hindi maganda. What is that?
Grapes.
Grapes. This. This.
Banana.
Banana. Ang kulit niya. Kahit yung maliit pa siya, kahit yung drawing ko pangit, alam na alam niya kung anong fruits eh. This one. This one. Look. What's that? Pear. That's good. This one.
The book. Grapes.
No.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. That's good.
Is this funny? It's funny.
It's funny. Yeah, it's funny.
The apple.
Yeah. How about this one? This one.
Orange.
This one. This one.
This
one.
Mommy.
Oh, this one. What is this? What is this?
Yeah.
What's that?
Cherry.
Strawberry. Yan yung mga drawing ko sa kanya. Kahit nung maliit pa siya. Baby pa kasi siya. Drawingan ko na siya. Ng mga fruits.
Apple.
Apple. This is apple. Oh.
What's that?
Apple. Okay. So, mommy gonna prepare breakfast, okay? Raiden, mommy gonna prepare breakfast, okay? Just wait for mommy. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Good morning, loves. Nagluluto ako ng pagkain ni Raiden, yung mixed veg. Kasi ilang araw na din siyang pinagpahinga ko ng ganong luto. Kasi siya, as I mentioned sa mga vlogs ko, loves, nilulutoan ko pa rin siya ng pagkain niya, yung gulay, tsaka meat, na walang asin, na walang walang panlasang walang asin, mga pepper, mga ganon, mga herbs, ganon, cream cheese, mga soft cheese, ganon, pero walang asin. Pero may araw din siya na kumakain ng normal na pagkain namin na nagluluto ako ng adobo or mga tinola or mga pagkain pang adult na rin. Kumakain na rin siya. May may gap lang din talaga. Pag nakakain na siya ng mga 2 days, ganon, 3 days, ayun, magluluto naman ako ng pagkain niya na proper. Mga naman yun, mga 4 na araw naman niya yun uulamin. So nagluluto ako ngayon. Kanina pa to, hindi siya mapakali. Laro siya ng laro. Ay, nako. Umagang-umaga, sinusubok yung pasensya ko, loves. Kinalat niya yung pagkain niya doon. Alam mo, hindi pa nga siya nakakain ng breakfast. Kumain na siya ng fruits. Kumain siya ng blueberry, grapes. Ngayon, nakakita ng nuts sa sala. Kumain ng nuts. Nakita yung snack niya kahapon doon. Hindi ko kasi naangat. Kinain niya naman. Sabi ko, hindi ka mga nakakain ng breakfast. Ang dami mo na nakain. Sabi ko, paano ka pakakain itong proper food? Sabi ko, gano'n. tayo ng rice. Nagluto pala ako kahapon ng sinigang, love. So, magluto tayo ng rice kasi rice is life. Oo. So, mix natin ng lintel. Ano siya, high in fiber and protein. Maganda siya lang. I-mix niyo sa rice. Konti lang, di naman marami. Kasi hindi naman siya yung rice na ano. Ano lang siya panghalo-halo. Panghalo sa rice. Para lang merong add fiber yung rice natin. This one? This? What? This? What else? This? No? This? This is not for that playing. Oh, you feel dizzy now? You feel dizzy? You feel dizzy now? Can you pick it up the spoon, please? Thank you. Give it to Mom. Oh, you put it back? Okay. Thank you so much. So, malapit na maluto yung pagkain niya, loves. And then, papakainin ko siya. After, mag-breakfast din ako. And then, rest. And then, mag-exercise ng konti. And then, mag-exercise ng konti. And then, mag-walking kami kasi 2 days ata kaming nasa loob lang ng bahay kasi ang ulan sa labas. Malamig, maulan. So, yan, today, light rain lang daw, pero may ulan pa rin. Pero at least may sunny. Sana, finger cross. Kasi gusto kong lumabas, gusto kong mag-walking. Mag-June na, May na, May na, half na ng May, di ba? Kailangan, dapat sunny na dapat eh. Talaga naman tong weather. Oh. What is it? Come. Woo! Say hi. How are you? Cookie? Say how are you? You don't have to shout. Nagigigil ako talaga dito sa batang ko. Nagigigil ako sa batang ko. Nagigigil ako. Nagigigil ako. Lemon and guava. Meron kasing painting dyan si Daddy. Lemon and guava. Lemon and guava. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Nagigigil ako. What's that? Washing. Ready then? Well, okay, it's almost done. Okay now, done now. You wanna show to the guys your food? Ito na yung loves, yung pagkain ng aking anak. Para siyang sopas. Sopas na walang pasta. Mixed veg yung nandun. See, you're not gonna go. No. Pakainin ko lang muna to, Laz. Magkasikaso na kami. Say bye-bye to the guys. Later again. Later. See you later. See ya.
Papa, be good.
Be good. Bye-bye. Be good.
Mama,
Oh, sis.
stupido.
Ikaw na mag-vlog. Ikaw na mag-vlog talaga. Raydan, let's go now. Let's go to the garden. How you get there? Ay, nakong batang talaga to. Tingnan mo, kinalat yung mga laruan. Ngayon nandyan. Kakatapos nila mag-breakfast. Come on now, it's mommy's turn. I need to eat breakfast and then we can have a walk outside. How you get there? Now show to mommy how you Come on, show to mama. Ubusan na tayo ng English. Come on na, come here na. Come on na, ay nako talaga naman. Sige. Show to mommy how you pull yourself there. No? No? Punta kami ng shop, loves. Punta kami ng ibang shop to. Kasi may parcel ako. May deliver tayo. So, kunin natin today. Kahapon pa siya. So, today natin siya kukunin. Malapit lang. Walking lang kami. Kasi maganda yung weather. Maganda. Hindi totally. Compare yesterday. Yesterday is okay. It's alright. Wala kaming stroller. Hindi kami nag-stroller. Lakad-lakad lang. Masipag to si Rayden maglakad. Ito yung kagustuhan ko dito sa Batang Ere. Ereta. Masipag siyang maglakad. Hindi siya yung laging gusto stroller. Kaya pag naman yung namin sa kanya, kapag halimbawa nagmamadali kami, imbis na stroller namin siya para mabilis yung lakad, is walking kami. Are you okay? Ang galing-galing mo maglakad, di ba? Naambon-ambon na. Pero, nagdala ako ng payong. Siyempre, alam ko na yan. Hindi pwedeng hindi magdala ng payong kasi wala kami stroller. Yes. Carry lang. And who is tired? Who's tired? Pagod na daw siya maglakad. It's okay, later. We will get that later, okay? Are you tired now of walking? Yeah?
What's that bitch?
Tired.
The car.
Oh yeah, it's gone. It's raining at the same time. Right then. Malapit na tayo sa shop.
Funny.
Lapit na tayo sa shop. Kunti na lang. Nagpabuhat naman tong batang to. Ang bigat eh. Wait a second. Wait for mommy, okay? Hi. I just want to get a parcel, please.
You want to send to what?
Just get the parcel.
Pick up the parcel.
Yeah, pick up. It was delivered yesterday.
That's all right. I need the barcode.
Okay. Pauwi na kami, loves. Dito na kami, naglalakad na kami. Nakuha ko na yung parcel. Ito yun. Nilagay ko lang sa plastic. Yes, Raiden? Ha? Uwi na tayo. Yes. Ayan, ito yung paboritong spot niya. Pag naglalakad kami, lagi siyang humihinto dito kasi kumukuha siya nitong red something. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero sabi naman hindi naman to poisonous. Poisonous ba yung tawag dun? Okay, let's go home. Bahay na kami. Okay. Let me get the key. You okay? Happy boy? Why you shy? You shy? Why?
Is he crying?
Yeah, you're good. You didn't cry. It's alright. Okay. Nandito na kami sa garden, loves. Pahinga-pahinga. Importante hindi umuulan. Kasi mamaya uulan naman daw. 40%, 50%. So, uulan siya. Raiden! Tingnan natin yung ginagawa nito. Hi! You want me to show you how you play? Do you want me to show you how to play this? Yeah? Yes, that's right. Yeah. Ano kasi, nabasa kasi tong sand niya. Ngayon, hindi tuloy siya yung super dry na Hindi siya super dry na magdedire-diretso. Pero nung nung dry to, maganda. Kaya nga kapag kasani ganito, hinahayaan kong buksan. Hinahayaan kong nakabukas para matuyo. Not in your body. No, not there. Here. 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 Only. Okay? Silipin natin yung natin. Uy, ang tanda na nito. Kasi marami na siyang maraming daw, pag ganyan daw, maraming dot. Daw, yun matanda na. So, ito yung natin, blackcurrant. Hilaw na hilaw pa siya. Ito gooseberry. Oh, ito yung olive tree, bagong bili ni Daddy. Ito naman yung red currant natin. Similar lang ng blackcurrant, pero red yan. Yung isa black. Blue, black, something like that. Yung cherry natin. Wala pa. Wala lang, na-excite lang ako. Sana, siya, cherry. After, 1 month siguro. Cherry yan. Sana cherry yan. Meron pa nga yan dito, pinutol ni Daddy nung nakaraan nung last year. Sana ngayong ngayong winter meron kaming apple. Pero sabi ni Daddy baka next year daw. Oh, yun, look, yung namin. Yung onion namin, loves, tumubo na. Tumutubo na siya, oh. Inayos to ni Daddy nakaraan, nilagyan ng Ayun, nakapag-cut kami ng grass karaan, kaya ganito maaliwalas ang ating garden. Are you ready? Ready? Get set. Go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's smooth. Ready? Ooh! It's your turn. How you want me to give it to you? Ready? Ooh! Good job. Whoa! You almost. Yee! Okay, it's your turn. Slowly. Slowly, okay? Oh, 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 oh. I told you slowly. Excited. Are you okay? Ooh. Slow down, slow down. Uh-oh. One more time. Uh-oh. Slowly, slowly lang. Hold tight. Hold tight. Whee! Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, kick. Kick to kami. Kick. You have to kick. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Leave the cherry. Leave the cherry. So we have cherry. Okay. Thank you. Ready? 1. You okay? You okay? Ay, very good. Well done. One more. One more. Kick it here. Here. Wow, very good. Good kicking. Are you gonna be a football player? Huh? Yeah. Tired? Are you tired? Oh, it's alright. Good job. Good job. Oh, you go there and let me kick it to you. Uh-oh. One more, one more. You dancing? You dancing? Sorry. Okay. Wait for mama. Wait for mama. Okay. Wait for mama. Okay, mama is here. Okay. 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 Well done. Okay, get na tayo. Katapos ko lang mag-exercise, loves. Hindi siya, ilang oras akong nagtatry sa kanya mag-nap. Ayaw mag-nap. Tingnan mo yung kalat ng ano, nung room. Kasi naglalaro siya dito eh. Ngayon, tawag nito. Magtupi tayo ng mga ano nila, Van Loves. Ito. Ay, naku, Raiden. That's not nice. Hi, loves. Patapos lang namin dun sa taas, tupi ng damit. And, ngayon, nandito ako sa kusina, maghugas ng pinggan, magluluto. Narinig nyo yan? So, yun, magluluto ako ng ulam, may kanina. Tapos, maghugas ako ng pinggan. And then, yeah, yun lang muna yung, for today's vlog. So, yun, dito lang naman kami sa bahay. Yun lang, labas lang kami kanina. Punta ng shop, tapos bumalik. Hindi kami, sa garden lang kami nag-spend ng oras. Kasi nga, hindi rin naman nagtagal kasi nga, yung panahon ngayon is, ulan-init. So, hindi rin maganda sa bata. So, yun nga, loves. So, hanggang dito lang yung vlog natin, loves. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you po sa pag-support sa channel. Bye-bye. Raiden, you wanna say hi? So you wanna say bye-bye to the guys?
Bye-bye.
You wanna say bye-bye to the guys? You wanna say bye-bye? You wanna say bye-bye to the guys? Oh. You wanna say bye?
Come.
You wanna say bye-bye?
Come.
Oh, say bye-bye to the guys.
Come. Papa, kiss me.
See you later. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you for watching.
Watching.
I hope you subscribe.
Papa,
Do
big
the please like, subscribe and share. sabi ni Raiden, ano kayong pinapagawa sa akin ni Mommy? Yun, loves, thank you po. Thank you sa panonood. Bye-bye.